What is up, everyone? Today we are going to be talking about the Great Resignation. I don't know how to say it like that because it just sounded like, I don't know, more intense. Like, I don't know. Anyways, guys, before we get into it, like, comment, subscribe, show some love. My nose just hit the mic. That was kind of weird. Hopefully you didn't get that on camera. Anyways, so according to an article in Home Healthcare News, that there's an estimated 2.9 million more home health aides and personal care aides that are needed to keep up with the skyrocketing demand, according to the Bureau of Labor Statistics. Now, this is a lot. 2.9 more million home health aides and caregivers to help meet the rising demands of all of the people who are going to need care, like in the coming years, right? Like, how do we do that? How do we attract 2.9 million home health aides and care workers to an industry when we're facing the greatest resignation ever? Like, what is going to attract all of those people to home care? How are we going to do that? And so when I look at this, I see a significant problem where home care is going to face limitations based on their ability to recruit and retain caregivers. And that being said, is like the hard part about home care is that if you have one individual is in need of care, well, it's going to take one caregiver to meet that need. So it's kind of an inefficient way to meet care needs while helping people stay at home. And this is why I'm so like optimistic about what adult daycare is going to help with, is because, for instance, like say like an adult daycare center, you can take care of 5 people for every one caregiver. And if you were to do the math, if there was a need of like 2.9 million more people that are needed for home care, okay, if you were to like say, okay, with 1/5 that number of people, we can take care of the same number of seniors. That number would mean that we would only need 580,000 healthcare workers as opposed to 2.9 million, because in an adult daycare environment, I can take care of 5 people for every one caregiver. My ability to actually meet the needs of our seniors, it's much more efficient because I can actually care and oversee the care of 5 people for every one caregiver. And so you're not going to need as many people to provide the same amount of care. And this is massive. I mean, this is something that like I don't know why more people are not talking about it, but this will be one of the largest differentiators of why adult daycare will be absolutely necessary, is simply because there will not be enough people to meet the care needs of those that are using home care. There just won't be enough people. Like, literally, home care agencies will just not have enough caregivers. But you will always be able to find a place that is open Monday through Friday or Monday through Saturday, or maybe 7 days a week at some point, that that you can bring your loved one and that they will have the care that they need during that daytime hours. And you won't have to worry about a call out, because as long as the building is open, your loved one will be able to receive the care that they need. And so this is going to have a massive impact on this whole great resignation problem we're facing, and this whole how do we take care of people in their home longer, but we don't have the care staff to do so. So how do we do that? How do we solve that problem? Is we bring adult daycare to every market in America, and we reduce the amount of caregivers needed to take care of more seniors. And we can do that in an adult daycare environment, and it creates more efficiency. It creates a lower cost of care, and it has all of these win-wins for everyone. So you get socialization, you got better efficiency, you got reduced costs. Like it's a win-win. It's a triple win. It's like the triple threat. Like people don't even know it yet. And I guarantee you there's people that nah, adult daycare won't work. Nah, the name sounds weird. Nah, like it's just whatever. You'll see. Just hang in there, okay? 5 years from now, we will begin to change, and the pendulum will begin to swing. It'll almost be like God himself has made the switch, because you'll call a home care agency and they won't have any caregivers. And you'll call another one and they won't have any caregivers. And you'll go online and there won't be any caregivers. But guess what? There will be an Active Age right down the street from you, that you can bring your loved one to, and that will be open, and that will be able to provide the care that you need, so you can run errands and you can visit with friends, or you can pursue your hobbies, because it will have a much more efficient, much more cost-effective model. And this is why I'm so optimistic about adult daycare. So if you are excited as I am about adult daycare right now, you should probably go to adcpro.com and sign up for our webinars and sign up for all of our, the video content that we're putting out. Make sure you get into our Facebook group if you're on Facebook, and just be a part of this revolution. And of course, if you want to learn more about franchising, let me know. I'm here. I love to talk about it, Shameless little plug at the end, So anyways, I got to go sell a franchise. You got to get to work. I'll see y'all later. Peace. Hey guys, thank you so much for joining me. If you'd like to learn how to open your own adult daycare center, go to adcpro.com. If you'd like the latest business tips, click here, and make sure you subscribe to our channel. Click here. We'll see you guys next time.